I have to take a little break. In order for me to see how much space I have, because I already have 2 boxes packed with shoes, and then I need my heels in another box, but I want to tell how much I need or what box to use. I'm going to go ahead and put the garbage bags over my hanger clothes, my dresses, blah blah. I've already taken out some jackets that I'm going to go ahead and give to Plato's Closet or Goodwill, somebody, okay? I'm not taking it with me. So I'm gonna bag those up, and then I want to put my purses away. I want to see how many more boxes I'll need for my heels, right? And some of those I've already put to the side because I'm gonna go ahead and give those away as well. I'm gonna try to make some money off of it though. And then really truly, I think I'm gonna put these in a suitcase or trash bags, because I don't know. I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a man. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a man. I'm a dog, I'm a man. Makes moving very easy. But it's never the same as the first time we did it. First time we did it, but I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be wrong. I want everything in here done. I can't say by 3 because I have a meeting at 3 for 30 minutes, and then I need to go drop off my money. She said take your time. I said baby I'm a dog. So now I'm packing the hair. We're gonna do the other box. Okay, so it's currently 7 o'clock. So someone bought the side piece, the glass side piece that I bought from a thrift store. Let me show you guys. I had it on there for 30. She's talking about, can you do 20? No. I said 25 is fine. I just sold this side piece. Before he came in, he was like, oh, can I take my shoes off? Should I take my shoes off? And I was like, this is what I'm talking about. Because when he did that, I was like, that is so sweet. Thank you. Because when people come, they just be trying to come straight in. But we're on the same page. But that's okay. You can use your shoes since I moved my rug out the way. And I was like, I'm moving. So you're just going straight to the porch anyways. And he was like, are you sure? And I said, yeah. That was so sweet. Because y'all really be walking around in y'all dirty shoes in and out of people's home. He's gone now. Somebody's supposed to be coming for the washer and dryer. They better not play with me. Anyways, let's keep going. I just ate a little bit. I don't want to take too long. It's 7 o'clock. The movers are coming between 9 and 10 a.m. I know y'all gonna be tired of seeing me in this shirt. But when I tell you, I gotta get it all done, that majority of it done today. That way, anything that's left over, I'm supposed to be selling it. I don't want to move anything in my car. I don't want to move any pots, so I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree and see if they have more boxes, and then I need to, because I'm using them all up. All right, you guys, so let me see what time it is. Currently 2:36 a.m. and to be honest, I'm basically done. I just need to pack up what's in my sink in the bathroom and in the closet, and my pots. And yeah, other than that, the refrigerator and the pantry with the little bit of snacks that's in there, not that much. I can come back obviously during the week and get that, and then clean out my tub and wipe the place down during the week because I'm tired. My feet's hurting. I've been going since I got out of my meeting. So let me show you guys what's going on. So when they come in the morning, because remember, I'm paying for this, so I want them to take as much as they can. I don't want to put anything in my car. I'm not paying to put anything in my car, okay? I'm paying them to move it. I already got the bed broken down in the living room waiting. I just need to roll up my living room thing. I have some bags in the living room that I know is going to Plato's Closet or Goodwill, whoever want to take it. I'm gonna try to get that money on first though, so Plato's Closet first. And then if they want to act bougie, I'm just gonna drop it off at Goodwill. But let me show you guys what's going on right now, because I'm about to take everything out of my vanity and off of the shelves and then pack up in here. And then I might take a nap, but honestly, I might not. I kind of want to get it done. So if I'm done at 5, they're not going to be here until around 9. That's fine. That's enough time for me to be done with everything completely. So let me show you guys. And I just put some stuff on my bed because I was just laying there. I was just relaxing, giving my feet a break. But yeah, let's do it. All right, so here's my closet. It's done. Okay, beautiful girl up there. Shoes done. Oh, forgot about my jeans. Okay, I'll throw those in a box or a bag. But it's done. That was the first room that was completely done today. Here's my bedroom. I'm literally about to box those things up. My bed frame's over there. The lamp is ready. I just need to roll that I need to roll that up. This, and I'm gonna have them take this the way it is. I'm going to wash those. Somebody's supposed to come pick up the washer and dryer, but I've been saying that all of these things are done, packed up. Then there are boxes back there. I went and got those boxes, and even over there from Bath and Body Works. Done. And then that bag, that's the one that's going to Plato's Closet. Those are going with me. Yeah, that suitcase is already filled. So now
a tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy they pour when I'm thinking about you. Ooh, no, no, no. I've been thinking about you. You, no, no, no. I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you?